Okay, so you'll have just seen me make this. It was 70%. It was a bit holy, but it came out good in the end, and I hope now that this is going to cook all right. So I'm going to put it in. I did put a lot of semolina on there because I was a bit worried about the holes, and so you could see a bit of it burning then. The smell of the garlic on this one with the batter is a lot better than the garlic on the Ooni Pro one. I think it's because the cook was just better with the Koda, because of the grated mozzarella just cooks better in the Koda than it on a gas-fired oven than it does in a wood. I prefer using buffalo mozzarella with wood because it's moist. So I've cooked this for my family. I'm going to show you the piece that I'm going to eat, so I don't touch their pieces, so they've got it nice and fresh. So I'm not going to show you the whole thing, so I'm just going to give you one slice to show, which will be mine. So I need to pick one. I'll go for that middle one. Yum. Cut it up. Right. Hard work that. Okay, let's show you the. That looks good, doesn't it, underneath? I'm happy with that. It's thin. And so let's give this piece a try. It's come out. The smell on this is so good. Let's just eat this bit. Give that bit a try. The butter has sort of melted into the dough, but then it's been cooked at a high temperature. So you've got like that kind of fried bread taste. Okay, better hurry up. My family's waiting. This is all for them. I'm going to take it to them now before it cools down. So that was very nice. Thank you for the suggestion to put mozzarella on my garlic bread. Worked out a dream. Very nice. I'm going to definitely make this again. I'll make it with buffalo mozzarella in the Ooni Pro next time and see how that comes out. It's very nice, very tasty. Take care, everyone. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.